and this is another episode of
Cloverbud Creators.
Lily, show them what we're going to make today.
We're going to make little fuzzy creatures.
So these are our warm fuzzy creatures that we've made at 4-H camp, and they're very easy to make, and they're super cute. So let's show them how to do it, Lily.
Okay, so first you can get any type of yarn or any color.
And you can use string too if you don't have yarn, but yarn makes them nice and fuzzy. So you'll start with your yarn. Lily has chose this beautiful shade of pink. And you need to find the end of your yarn, and you're gonna hold that in your hand with your thumb like this. And then all you're gonna do is loop around your fingers very loosely. You wanna make sure you keep it nice and loose so that you can get it off your hand.
And it's okay if it's a little tight, right?
A little bit, but you wanna be able to slide your fingers out nice and easy. Okay, so really show them your hand. It's all wrapped up. And then you're gonna choose what color of antennas you want for your warm fuzzy creature. What color does this one get?
This one. I'm gonna pick some red.
Okay, so you'll take your pipe cleaner, and what you're gonna do is put your palm face up and slide it under all of the yarn. So it comes out the other side.
Or string, whatever you have.
Comes out the other side, looking like this. And then you will pull the ends together and twist to hold all of that yarn together. So Lily, show them what it looks like.
It looks like this.
All right, let's keep it close so they can see what we're doing. Now we're gonna cut the string so that we don't have extra string holding on. And we're gonna slide it off her finger. So now you have the pipe cleaner side, and you have this little ball of yarn that has a nice O shape from where her hand was. So there's this O shape. So now we're going to cut another piece of string off, just a small one. Okay, that might have been too small, but yeah, that's too small.
Okay.
A little bigger than that. Give yourself some room to work with, okay? And this is gonna require 2 people. So you're going to take and hold on right at the pipe cleaner and then hold down,
I'll
okay?
do the holding.
Okay, so you hold on to it, Lily.
I want the head to be like right.
And then you're gonna take your piece of string that you cut and you're gonna wrap it around
Kind of like that. It's fine.
and tie it really tight to make your head. And it doesn't have to be perfect. All right, so we've got it tied nice and tight. This will be our head. Then what you're gonna do is take your scissors and you're gonna cut through the bottom of all of these loops. We missed a couple.
Or her, if it's a boy or girl, whatever you want.
Okay. And then you can see we fluffed, but we have some strings that are really long, like this one. So this is your opportunity, Cloverbuds, to give a haircut. So you can give it a haircut, Lily, so that it looks good.
The antennas.
Oh, that's right. So on our examples, this one has spiral antennas.
Mommy's has spiral and mine has heart antenna.
So you can make any shape you want with your antennas. Be creative and make it look fun. So Lily, go ahead. You can even cut the antennas off a little bit if you want. So we've got our antennas shaped how Lily likes them. And Lily, what's the last thing we need to do?
Put the eyes on.
Okay, so how many eyes is your warm, fuzzy creature going to have?
2.
Here's our warm, fuzzy creature. Really cute.
Including. Oh no!
Now, you'll notice that the ones that Lily made are a little bit smaller than the one that I made. Oops, we lost an eyeball, I think. But that is because, Lily, show them your hand.
I have a small
Look at my hand. So if you want a bigger warm, fuzzy creature, you might have to choose something else besides your hand. You could wrap the yarn around your glue bottle like this. All right, so now we have it around our glue, and we're gonna do the same thing we did as before. We're gonna stick this in here.
But I'm going to do, now I need one more. Yeah,
I might have wrapped it a little bit tight.
yellow,
So we're gonna stick this in.
yellow.
You want both in?
Yeah.
Lily wants to stick 2 pipe cleaners in, so that will be really cool. Okay, twist them up, Lil. Get it nice and tight.
Good.
Yep. And this time, instead of using another piece of string to do our head, let's use a pipe cleaner so we can make arms too. See her hands? Now let's shape our antennas. Hold them all up, Lil, so they can see them. You can be as creative as you want. And the best part about warm, fuzzy creatures is, after you make them, you're supposed to give them to somebody else to brighten their day. So this week's challenge for you Cloverbuds is to try making your own warm, fuzzy creatures and then giving one of them to somebody else, like your mom or dad, grandma, grandpa, or a friend or neighbor, just to make them smile. Anything else, Lily? We can't wait to see all your pictures of your warm, fuzzy creatures. Thanks for joining us on
Clover.